Oh, it is windy. Zephyr's taking a poop. We'll do this inside. Get me out of here. Okay, let's try that again. Hey friends, it's Kat. This is our 30-foot school bus we turned into our dream home on wheels, and now we're taking you and it on a drive all the way across the country and back. So let's roll. Like right now, let's go.
It's no secret we had quite a rocky start to our trip. However, we then made our way over to Georgia, where we picked up our 2 new kittens, Puddles and Moose. Now, as a family of 6, we made our way back up through Tennessee, where we learned what a Buc-ee's was. And let me tell you, that was crazy.
Then driving a little further west, we made our way over to Kentucky, where we explored some caves together. Some more driving got us to Illinois, and then we made a quick pit stop over in Missouri to check out the Gateway Arch. The most beautiful drive through South Dakota has led us to where we are today, somewhere in Wyoming, and now all that is left is to explore it together. So you're gonna want to buckle up. It's gonna be a wild ride, I promise. Bye. We're driving and I don't really know where.
We are in Buffalo, Wyoming.
We're currently in Buffalo, Wyoming. Hi, Wyoming. Thank you, Blake.
We are headed to Cody, Wyoming.
Cody.
Look at that buffalo fork.
And now we're headed to another town in Wyoming. Town? City? Now we're headed to another spot. Can you finish? Did you hear? crazy? I got that on video. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, my goodness. Whoa, whoa. Can you hear the wind? Here it comes. No, thanks. Fun fact, we've been doing this for 30 weeks in a row. That is absolutely crazy. Hey, and real quick, while I have you here, do me a favor. I have a few things you can't forget to do. First, I'm gonna need you to like this video. Then I'm also gonna have, okay, like this. Maybe leave me a little comment or two down below letting me know how you're enjoying the journey so far, or maybe share something funny that happened this week. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe. That way you know you're ready for the next adventure, and it helps me out too. Moose, you want to show everyone how big you've gotten? Say hi. See, my name is Moose. Alrighty, I will see you guys down the road. Hey friend, Zephyr. Oh, he's peeing. Zephyr! Now, I just sat on a cat. Oh my goodness, there are cats everywhere. Puddles, do you need a hug too? Oh, and here's Puddles. And here's Miss Puddles. The couch just spilled my coffee as soon as I hit the button, so I'm gonna go deal with that. On the road again.